Hi, my name is Audra Perry, and this is my presentation about why I chose this internship and the process I took to obtain it, some things that I learned in past classes that were able to help me, and how this experience fits into my future plans, and any advice I'd give to future interns. So to start off, the reason I chose this internship is the hours really fit into my schedule. I have two other jobs right now, and it was I really like the idea of working on your own, at your own pace, and working online. The application process was super easy, which was super nice because it was kind of a last minute thing, and I also heard great reviews about it, so I thought, why not go for it? The process I took to obtain this internship was my professor told us about it in class last semester, fall 2017. I asked him to forward me the email with more information about it. He did so. I then went online to their website to do some more research about it, and it just really felt right. It felt like this was for me. There were two options, part-time or full-time. I chose the part-time one because of my busy schedule, and I applied for the part-time internship, and I was instantly accepted, which was awesome. I was really stoked about that. Some things that I've learned in my past courses that really helped me in this internship. In this internship, you do a lot of group work, and I've definitely learned how to do group work in previous classes, so that was a really good benefit. Just being at school and college, like you learn how to time manage yourself and how to get things done on time, and that was a really big part of this internship. Communication, I've definitely learned that in previous classes. I've learned how to research properly, become a leader through my past classes, and all these skills really helped me in my internship, which was awesome. So with my experiences in this internship, how those fit into my future plans, I'm not quite sure yet, but it definitely gave me a lot of good experience. I definitely learned that group work was huge, which I don't think you're ever going to get out of group work because jobs and other places you're going to be put in teams, you're going to be working with coworkers, so that really benefits me a lot. And I've learned how to work underneath someone, work for a boss. I've never really had that opportunity before. I've kind of had my own business before. And so this was a great experience because I'm sure I'll be working with other bosses and other clients someday. And I've also learned through this internship that getting things done is huge. And that's just like any other workplace. You got to make sure you get things done on time. So any advice I would give to future interns, I would say be prepared to do lots of group work. I know group work is hard sometimes, but I mean, honestly, that's what this internship is about, and I think it's taught me a lot how to work with others, with many different types of people. I would say always be on time with your client, and always make sure you communicate and be for sure on what they expect you to do, and learn how to step up if no one else does. That was huge for me in this internship. I kind of had to become the leader. And also, don't be afraid to ask questions. Like I said, make sure everything's clear with your client and that everything goes the way they want it to, so there's no miscommunication between you guys. And that would be all my advice, but thanks for watching.